Okay, fáilte arás, ceacht fiche sa dó. And we're trying something new. This is primarily audio. There'll be no video of my smiling, delightful face this time, in the hope that if I focus on producing audio work, we'll maybe get some of these lessons done a little more regularly, okay? Let's remind ourselves. How did you say yesterday? Yeah, inyay. Inyay. So can you remember how to say, what did you do yesterday? Yeah. Kajer into is what did you do? So kajer into inyay, what did you do yesterday? Say, I was in Donegal. Fi me Chonol. Can you say, I was in Donegal town? Vi me imalja runanal. Well done. Just remind me, how do you say, what did you do yesterday? Kajer into inyay. Can you remember how to say, what did you do last year? Yeah, last year was anuri, so it's kajer into anuri. Let's say Spain. I was in Spain. Fi me sa Spáin. Well done. And can you remember how to say I went? Hui me. Well done. So say I went to the castle. Hui me kajer Cashlan. Or say I went to the beach. Hui me kajer Tra. Very good. So let's get back to what did you do yesterday? Go on. Yeah, kajer into inyay. And so we've got this verb rin in the middle of it, and we can use that for different stuff as well. It's basically our past tense for do. It also means make. Okay, so you can use it to say I made something. So it would be rin me. Can you remember how to say a cup of tea? Yeah, cup and tea. So say I made a cup of tea. Yeah, rin me cup and tea. Rin me cup and tea. Good stuff. Ask again, what did you do yesterday? Yeah, kajer into inyay. Say, I was in Donegal town. Vi me malja runanal. Say, I was in the restaurant. Vi me savilan. And say, I made a cup of tea. Rin me cup and tea. Well done. I'm not sure why you were working in the restaurant, but there we are. Do you remember how to say my mummy? Mwami. So to say for my mummy, we're going to use the word do. Just put that in front of it and you get dumawami. Okay? Just repeat dumawami. Now, say I made a cup of tea for my mummy. Rin me cup and tea dumawami. Well done. Say I was in Derry. Vi mennere. With my friend. Le machara. Say I made a cup of tea for my friend. Le me cup and tea de machara. Say it was great. Vi sé ar dói. Do you remember how to say toast? Yeah, Aaron Rosta. Say, I made toast for my friend. Rin me Aaron Rosta de machara. Say, but I had a pint of Guinness. Ac vi pint of Guinness agam. It was great. Vi sé ar dói. Now, if you want to say I bought instead of I made, it's Hjani me. Hjani me. Okay? So say I bought a pint of Guinness. Cheannaigh mé pint of Guinness. Ask again, what did you do yesterday? Caéir in tú inné? Say, I went to Belfast. Chuaigh mé go Belfasta. And say, I was in the pub. Bhí mé sa pub. And now say, I bought a pint of Guinness. Cheannaigh mé pint of Guinness. Now the word for a present is bruntanas. Okay? Can you say, I bought a present? Cheannaigh mé bruntanas. Say, I bought a present for my mummy. Cheannaigh mé bruntanas de mo whammy. Now say, I went to County Donegal. Chuaigh mé go Tirchonel. And now say, I was in Donegal town. Bhí mé in Malliarúnanal. And I bought a present for my friend. Agus cheannaigh mé bruntanas de mo chara. Very good. Can you say, I made a cup of coffee? Rin mé cup and coffee. Brilliant. What about if you didn't do anything? Now, obviously you're going to think it's going to be something like ní rin, but unfortunately, this is an irregular verb. So although your logic is right, the true answer is ní dhearna. Okay? Ní dhearna mé rudder be. I didn't do anything. And it's that rudder be, which means anything. Okay? A rud is a thing, but rudder be is anything. So just repeat that. Rudder be. Good. Now say, ní dhearna mé. Just repeat it. Ní dhearna mé. Ní dhearna mé. And now we put it together and we say, I didn't do anything. Go on. Ní dhearna mé rudder be. Well done. Ask, what did you do yesterday? Caéir in tú inné? Oh, I didn't do anything. Ah, ní dhearna mé rudder be. Then say, but I went to Belfast with my friend. Ach chuaigh mé go Belfasta le mo chara. And I bought a present for my mummy. Agus cheannaigh mé bruntanas de mo whammy. And I was in the pub. Agus bhí mé sa pub. And I bought a big pint of Guinness. Agus cheannaigh mé pint more Guinness. Now, how did you say again, I didn't do anything? Ní dhearna mé rudder be. How do you think you would say, I didn't make a cup of tea? Yeah, ní dhearna mé cup and tea. I made a cup of coffee. Rin mé cup and coffee. Very good. Ask, what did you do yesterday? Caéir in tú inné? Say, I was in Donegal. Bhí mé Tirchonel. And now ask, what did you do in Donegal? Caéir in tú I Tirchonel? I went to Donegal town. Chuaigh mé go Ballyarunanal. And I bought a present for my mummy. Agus cheannaigh mé bruntanas de mo whammy. Say, I went with my friend. Chuaigh mé le mo chara. And I made a cup of tea for my friend. Agus rin mé cup and tea de mo chara. But I didn't make a cup of coffee. Ach ní dhearna mé cup and coffee. Say, I don't like coffee. Ní mailm cafe. Ask, were you in Dublin yesterday? Do you remember how to ask, were you? Yeah, an ro. Were you in Dublin yesterday? An ro tú I Maille Clia inné? Say no. Say I wasn't. Yeah, that's going to be Nero. Nero. Ask again, were you in Dublin yesterday? An ro tú I Maille Clia inné? Say I wasn't. Nero. Well, what did you do yesterday? Gjerin tú inné? I didn't do anything. Ní dhearna mé rudder be. Now there's one more word to finish off with. I'm going to say fuck. Fuck is a great word which means nothing. Nothing at all, right? So you can say ní dhearna mé fuck. So just try that. Just repeat it. Ní dhearna mé fuck. Very good. I tend to naturally go for rudder be, but that's it. You might hear that. Ní dhearna mé fuck. So one more time. What did you do yesterday? Gjerin tú inné? I didn't do nothing at all. Ní dhearna mé fuck. Okay, I hope you don't mind this new style of audio lesson, and hopefully we can get these out more regularly. Slán.